Hello, and thank you for clicking on my video. You are super awesome, and I hope that today your day goes better than it did yesterday. This is some amazing stuff. Like, seriously, this is amazing. Today, I will be talking about apple cider vinegar baths. But first, let me introduce myself. My name is Shamanique, and I'm currently on a journey to create a natural, holistic, and a simple lifestyle for myself and my family. And I am sharing everything that I'm learning in videos, and I'm trying to add something to my life every single day that's going to get me closer to those goals. So if you are currently on a journey that is kind of like that, make sure that you subscribe to this channel so that we can learn and grow together. Okay, so now let's get down to this apple cider vinegar bath. Some of the health benefits of taking an apple cider vinegar bath are straightforward. So I'm not going to get into explaining them. Like, if I say something that you're like, oh yeah, I got that issue, then I'm going to put a link in the description box below that is going to link you to this article that really goes into depth about each one. But right now, I'm just going to list them out because, like I said, I want to keep things very simple. It can cleanse your aura and help you detox. It can maintain your skin's pH balance. It's a great remedy if you have facial acne or body acne. It can cure yeast infections. It can treat UTI. It can prevent BV. It can soothe your sunburn. It can relieve itchy skin. If you have eczema, it can help. It can heal poison ivy rashes. If you get bit by a mosquito, it can stop that itching. If you've been working out, it can help soothe your sore muscles in your joints. It can reduce arthritis pain. It can also fade scars. It can help you get rid of ringworm. It supports the lymphatic system. It can fight foot fungus. It can help with body odor. And it can help you sleep better after you take this ACV bath. Okay, so now that you know all of the health benefits, what do you do next? What do you need? Well, duh, you need to go get you some ACV, some apple cider vinegar. Make sure that it is the raw and unfiltered kind with the mother. That is the kind that you want. You don't want the one that looks white. You want one that looks brown like this. Now, I will put a link in the description box below. If you do not know where to find this in your own supermarkets, you can get it off of Amazon. So I will put a link down there so that you can check the price, and if you want it, you can get it. Let's get started making this wonderful apple cider vinegar bath. So the first thing is to fill your bathtub with water. Make sure that your bath water temperature is warm and not extremely hot. Now go measure 2 cups of apple cider vinegar. Take your apple cider vinegar and pour it into your water. Mix it with your hand. After making your bath, you can soak for 20 to 30 minutes. Next, get in the shower and you rinse off. And that is it. So I took my bath early in the morning. When I got out of the bath, I was relaxed, like I laid back down. So if you're gonna take this, I recommend that you take it at night. Another thing is, if you're kind of weary about starting off with 2 cups because you think that it might be a little bit too strong, you can start off with a half a cup and gradually work your way up. There are some ways that we can spice this up. You know, we kept it simple and we just did apple cider vinegar and water. But there are so many different recipes that you can make that will really like amp up the benefits of your bath. So I will be doing videos of that coming up very soon. So if you haven't already, and I know you have, so I know I'm just talking just because, you know, make sure you click that subscribe button so that when I do that video, you will also get to know about it, because I found that there are some really good benefits to adding all these different herbs. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and as always, share it with somebody that may have some of those elements that I mentioned, because some people don't even know about apple cider vinegar. Some people they don't even know what this is, and I think anybody can benefit from knowing that there is something natural that they can use on an everyday basis that can help with some of their sicknesses and some of their illnesses. Okay, you guys, I'm sending you off with peace, love, happiness, and good vibes. Thanks for joining me. Peace out.